How to fix Google Drive waiting for network on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive waiting for network on Android phone. First, just open settings and now scroll all the way down until you find apps, and here click apps again, and here type here drive, or you can just scroll down until you find D. Wait, where is it? D and D, and here we'll find drive. And now go to data usage, and this one mobile data, you will find it off, just allow it. And then click force stop here and go to storage, clear cache. That's it. Now just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. If that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.